Okay, so notice I'm on https://ohm.lumenlearning.com. So once you're there, you want to click enroll in a new course. And then if you type in 62794 and the enrollment key, I love stats. Now, if there's a space, like if you type a space after that, or any kind of a character that's invisible, and you click enroll, it's going to say that doesn't exist. And if I click go back, if I type it in again, 62794, but this time I make sure that there's no spaces after. Like you see how my cursor is after the S, and I can hit the delete key. I can put it back here and hit the delete key. I should do the same thing up here. Make sure that you don't have any extra characters. Delete, delete, delete. And once you know that you just have 62794 and I love stats in there, it should work. Let's see if I click enroll, then it gives me the class. So if you're still having trouble after you're sure that you're typing it okay and you don't have spaces in there or other non-visible characters, then you're probably going to need to go to Lumen, help from Lumen, to get help on this rather than from me or anyone at Bunker Hill. So sorry about that.